So Au Chalet de la Marionnette is in Fantasyland. It has like Swiss, German, Bavarian look, and also the food is in the moment is very Bavarian, with hot dogs, chicken and Bratwurst. Here look at the menus outside, which are really pretty and very Bavarian, of course. Inside you have the full menus, of course. The outside area is really beautiful and fantastic place to sit. The only problem is it can get very, very full here. Of course, in the moment as you walk in, social distancing. When you get to the front, you can log in with the COVID app, the French app, or you can write your name down. It's very, very easy. You can also scan the code and look at the menu, but the food is also inside on video panels, so it's easy. So at the moment you have the Bavarian hot dog menu for €14 and the roasted chicken menu for €15. And here you see the authentic Bratwurst menu for €16. You can always get a Magnum or I think a fruit salad with it. There are also other things to buy like salads, which are okay. I prefer to take the menus because it's just easier. So the screen does take a long time to change, but now is my favorite, the Prezel Sandwich menu for €14. It's also called the puppet menu, but usually if you just say menu 1, 2, 3 or 4, that's the easiest way to order your food, because anyone can say 1, 2, 3, 4. It's loin of pork with red cabbage and mustard sauce, but you can change it for a veggie burger if you want. You just have to ask. And for dessert you get strudel, which is also quite nice. So this is a pickup. It's very clean in here, that's what I noticed, and it goes quite fast I suppose, but you always have to wait a long time for food at Disneyland. So we got a seat at the fireplace, which was unfortunately for filming quite dark, but it was a nice place to sit, and we do have some more film of the food a little bit better, in a better light. But this is the hot Prezel Sandwich. It's pork with red cabbage, mustard sauce, and I must say it's very tasty. It's one of the best in the park, I would say, at the moment. So good I went twice, but my friend had the Prezel who was with me helping me, so I got the authentic Bratwurst menu for €16, which was also very good. So Duffy had a great seat on the window. It's stained glass windows, everything is painted inside. It's just a great atmosphere. You feel like you're in a German restaurant. I mean, I live here, so I could. It really is correct. It's perfect. So you little look around the restaurant now. The decoration, the paintings are amazing, like you can see. Please note that I always try to avoid filming children, so there's a lot of filming of mine showing things up top, so I don't get the children in the picture. So, hope you enjoyed watching. This is a little side room that was closed at the moment, which is also beautiful, and you can go out here to the outside seating also. So hope you enjoyed. It's a great place. I can definitely recommend it for the food at the moment.